What's up, guys? Welcome back to Dirtworks TV. So today we're going to be removing these couple stumps here. This one, one over there, one over there. I'm going to show you guys how to easily remove large stumps like these. Like, look how big that is. With just a mini excavator in a quick, efficient amount of time. Let's go.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate,
you wanna get a good area, sit down, put your blade down, you're gonna start digging around it, get the roots and stuff ripped up. Biggest thing is just like, if you get out far enough on the outsides of it, get the root system tweaking up a bit. Then it's not so bad. So this one, it's gonna be pretty easy. I think this is just a large pine. This one's busting apart pretty easy. Like that, and you just gotta peel it up. Easy, guys. That one's not too bad. It's actually pretty easy. Get it nice and loosened up, because I mean that's the main thing on these trees that's holding it. Like, once you get around the tree dug up pretty good, the root system frees itself. Like, that's like, it's crazy how strong roots are that hold trees up. Like, once you get the root system all broke up and stuff and dug up around the tree, usually it'll pop up pretty easy. What's up, guys? You know the drill. Smash the like button, subscribe, share, all the above. We appreciate you as always. Don't forget, if you haven't, check out the merch store. And yeah, let's get these stumps ripped out. Dude, everyone wants to stump grind it, blah, blah, blah. No, we're just going to rip them out. Be done with it. That way there's no issue later. You don't get a sinkhole. Like, let's just get it out of there. Quick and easy. Most people are like, oh, you need a bigger machine. Like, you'll see. Just watch. Alright, guys, this one might be a little bit tougher. So this is an oak tree here. Thing's massive. This will be the real test. So yeah, that one you can see, that one wasn't bad at all. We ripped that one right out of there. Took just a couple minutes, probably 5 minutes. It's way faster, and if you were to grind it, you'd sit there for an hour grinding that whole thing down. With this next one we get into, it took us a little bit longer. This thing was massive. Like, once we got it ripped up, it's huge.
That was easy work.
Yeah, those ones. So yeah, as you can see, this one took us a little bit longer. This was a massive stump. I mean, it's the same as all of them though. Once you get around that root system, you can completely loosen up all the roots. Like, you can pull up any size stump with a mini excavator. Doesn't even matter what size it is. It just might be a little harder to pick up once you get it out, but we got her out, as you can see. But we appreciate you guys as always. This is just a quick one, how to rip up stumps. We got a huge landscaping. We did a full yard facelift remodel for a new pool installation. We'll be coming out with that in the next week. We appreciate you as always. Dirtworks TV, don't forget, keep on digging.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me, and what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be f***ing sour, take a cold shower, scream until you're louder, work until